Good morning. Thanks for joining me. It's another sunny spring day here in the UK, and I'd just like to share an innovation that I used successfully yesterday at the lake while fishing. It involves my trusty DJI Spark. The Spark, as you know, is a fantastic little drone made by DJI. The Go4 app is fantastic, serves me well. I've used it for long enough now for it to be second nature. So setting up my DJI Spark, of which I have 3 in various forms for various uses when filming. So setting up my Spark number 1 is a relatively painless and straightforward fast procedure. I can find a nice location, unobtrusive setting, not affecting anyone else. Find a hole in the canopy of any trees. Put the Spark up and take wonderful shots of the lake from my chosen peg for the day. Stills and videos all enhance my fishing day experience. Yesterday I decided to utilize it with my mount. This is a 1/4 UNC camera mount, hot glued to a battery. So substituting a standard battery now gives me a camera mount. How did I use it? Well, I simply attached it to one of my ripple bars attached to my seat box that I use while carp fishing. The Spark was attached to the central point on the ripple bar on my right hand side, and I switched the Spark on, opened the app as normal, and used the camera including any gimbal moves, to film any action during the fishing. So, a long answer to a short suggestion. If you own a DJI Spark, think outside the box. It's a super 1080p video capturing device, so don't leave it in the box when you're doing other activities except flying. Mount it on a selfie stick or a similar ripple bar with a camera mount and capture stills and videos while out and about. Hope you've enjoyed this little innovation. Join me again soon. Thanks for watching.